Hello, everyone there at Mrs. Orengo Cleaning Service. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles. I This is my website here, Warley Digital. I work with Warley Digital. We help local businesses grow organically by increasing their clientele, getting them more and more clients. We do that through organic means. This is me right here. We do that organically through websites, through driving people your way through SEO, search engine optimization, and we also do Google ads and Facebook ads. So the reason I'm sending you this video, the reason I'm making this video is because number one, I want to help local businesses. I used to be a teacher. I felt that my impact was teaching students and helping them, better themselves. However, through the pandemic, I kind of lost the passion. When we went virtual, I wasn't having as much as an impact. And then I decided to pick up my other skills, which come to digital marketing. And now I started this business in order to help local businesses. This is my impact now, helping people get more clients and build their businesses. So, second reason I'm doing this is because business owners sometimes are very busy. They're too busy to even work on their websites or find out what they need to do to get them visible on Google. So I'm going to give you a few tips, three or four tips, and you can go ahead and implement them. We do not have to work together. Just take this information and use it to help you build up your website. If you'd like to work together, I'm more than willing to help you. Okay, so the three tips I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has to do with everything on your front page. Everything that I've highlighted in blue, that you can see all the pictures, all the text, everything. Google reads all the content all the content on your pages. So it's important to optimize with Google. It's important to have about 1,500 words, 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text that's saturated with keywords that your potential clients are going to be searching for. For example, if I was looking for your service, cleaning services, I would say maybe cleaners Philadelphia. That's what comes up first. And then I can see all these different cleaning services. Now, the importance of this is that Google, 90% of adults use Google to search for local businesses. 70% of those do not leave the first page. So it's important to be here on the first page. These guys are getting a lot of traffic. And the ways that you can even measure how many people per month are searching for this. I use a tool called Ahrefs. And here, I'm going to come here to my tool. I was looking at something else earlier. Cleaners Philadelphia. Let's see. This tool will tell me that there are 150 people searching for this every month. That's a lot of people. And then along with that, I can, matching terms, I can find out what other people are searching for. So 150 people, carpet cleaners, 150 people are searching that per month, dry cleaners, Philadelphia dry cleaners, house cleaners, 60 people per month, etc. What I'm just trying to show you is that for different keywords, you can find out how many people are looking for that per month. So you can tailor your website. Within those 1,000 to 1,500 words of text, make sure you include keywords that Google can pick you up, recognize, oh, you do the service, pick you up and put you in front of the relevant searches. Again, let's go over the keywords. The cleaners Philadelphia. Let's see who gets that traffic. So these guys, Evergreen Maids, get 60 people per month going to their website. Evergreen Maids, I'm sure that these are your competitors. Well, you're in New Jersey, actually. So let's look for cleaners Hamden. And you can see First of all, let's see. 40 people search for that per month. And Camden Cleaners get 28%. 28 people going. Let's look at their website. So this is not a really strong website. They don't have enough text. So these guys are very easy to beat. I'm sure that these are your competitors. Actually, this tool is very powerful because we can analyze their website and see what it takes. So they have about 166 backlinks, and I'm going to get into backlinks later. But right now, I want to talk about these keywords. They're ranking for keywords. So Camden dry cleaners, dry cleaning Camden. These are the keywords that Google is picking them up for. So for example, 40 people per month, they get 21 people because they're in the first position. Camden Cleaners, 20 people search for that per month. They get 7 people going to their website because they're in the first position. And looking at their site, I know that this is very easy to beat. The site is not that powerful. And they do not have that many backlinks as well. Backlinks, I'm going to get into backlinks, like I said. So that's for content. So make sure you have 1,500 to 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your website with saturated with these keywords that people will be looking for your business. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now let's go back to the Google search. When someone searches for something like cleaners, let's go back, let's say Camden. You always find what's known as this map pack at the top here. Usually there are a few ads before this, Google ads. But then after the ads, you'll see this map pack here. And this map pack has 3 businesses and a map. And then if you click on more businesses, you'll see all the rest of the businesses. I'm sure you've seen this before. So how do you rank higher and higher in here? Like we said, if 70% of people don't leave the first page, it's important to be here. So how do you rank higher and higher in here? It comes down to citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet in different directories that your name, address, and phone number are cited. And by directories, I mean like Yext, Dexnos, LinkedIn, yellowpages.com, superpages.com, etc. Different directories. Make sure your business is there. The same name, address, and phone number that's on your Google My Business page. Once you do that and you put them in more authoritative directories, you'll start to rank up higher and higher and higher here. And I'll give you an example. I built a website about a month ago, home remodeling, for home remodelers. Now, when you type in home remodeling Philadelphia, someone who's typically looking for a home remodeler will type this in, and you see I am at the top of the map pack, this site here. This is my website that I made. And how do I get there? I get there by increasing my citations. I look at my competition, and by competition I mean these guys who are ranking with me. Like this guy, I know him, is down the street from me. Kaufman Remodeling, famous. So I look at all these guys, at their citations, and make sure that I am in more and more directories than them and more authoritative so that I can stay up here. Okay, so that's citations. The third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks, let's get back to the search. Cleaners, Camden. Backlinks have to do with this section down here that is below the map pack. It's called the organic listings section. So how do you rank higher and higher in here so that you can get to the front page? So the way to rank higher and higher is to get more authoritative backlinks. If you think of the internet as a collection of web pages all linked together, a backlink is where one web page links to you. So the more backlinks you have, the better it is. Not all backlinks are the same though, because Google can tell if it's a spam backlink or if it's authoritative. If it's a company that that does cleaning and they recommend you guys as a referral and they have your website on their site, then that's a good backlink. Google can tell you're in the same niche. However, if it's a Pizza Hut or a McDonald's that's linking to you, Google will tell you guys are in the different businesses, so that's a spammy backlink. So they're using the same tool, and this is a very popular tool. Like now, I put in your website, I can tell you have no backlinks at all. And that we saw with Camden Cleaners, they have 168 backlinks. Actually, these are in California, so let's look at something more local. I'm not sure why they're showing up here, but let's take here Dominguez Cleaning Service and put them into our tool. And I can, even them, they're easy to beat. So it's not hard. And you see that they are on the front page. So right now for your niche of cleaners, it's not hard to beat them. It's not hard to beat your, let's look at Evergreen Maids actually, because these guys, I believe that they're local to you. So I think this will be a better example. .com. They have about 624 backlinks. So my job would be to go in and look at your competitors' backlinks and then make sure that you have the same amount and even more backlinks. And this takes a bit of time. I'm not going to lie. Google, if you put 100 backlinks at the same time, Google will recognize that you're trying to spam them. So you need to put, a few every week. 1 week put 5, 6, the other week put 10, etc. So eventually you're going to start ranking higher than your competitors, because these guys are getting about 828 people going to the website every month, and it's because they have good backlinks and they're ranking for very many keywords. So the more keywords you have, and let's look at their keywords. Well, this is in Philadelphia, but as an example, they have these keywords on their website. This tool tells you how many people search for these keywords a month. And then it also tells you what traffic they're getting. So for one keyword, they're getting 94 people. Another keyword, they're getting 72 people going to the website. And because it's cleaning, I can assume that if you're on the website, you're going to call. So these guys are getting a lot of traffic. It's in Philadelphia. It's not where you guys are. However, I just wanted to show you an example of why having a good authoritative website will bring you more and more business. So I hope this helps. I'm sorry this was very long, but I hope you've watched this all the way to the end. Again, my name is Charles. I am with Warley Digital. My phone number is here if you'd like to talk to me, if you'd like to work together. If you don't want to, no harm, no foul. That's fine. Just take these tips. This is in a video on YouTube, so you can always watch them and rewatch them and hand them to whoever's doing your website. If you'd like to work together, my email is here and my phone number. I'm available by text, email, or you can call me. Thank you very much, Mrs. Orengo, and take care. I hope this has helped. I hope this has helped you. This has given you some valuable information. Happy holidays.